Greetings, everybody. This is Articles of Reality, and what we're going to do today is continue going down the rabbit hole with the Rig Veda. So today, what we're going to look at is the hymns to deities. All right, so let's dive right in. The hymns dedicated to various deities in the Rig Veda are not merely acts of devotion, but profound reflections on the nature of the divine and its manifestations in the cosmos. These hymns reveal the Vedic people's understanding of the world and their relationship with the gods, offering insights into their spirituality, values, and worldview. In this video, we'll delve deeper into the hymns to some of the most significant deities: Agni, Indra, Soma, Varuna, and others, exploring their roles, attributes, and the symbolism they embody. So let's first talk about Agni, the fire god. Agni, the fire god, is central to Vedic rituals and spiritual practices. He is the divine mediator, the one who carries the offerings of humans to the gods, ensuring that the communication between the earthly and the divine remains open and effective. Invocation and roles of Agni. In many hymns, Agni is invoked at the beginning of rituals, highlighting his importance as the initiator of sacred ceremonies. In Book 1, Hymn 1, and verse number 1, we can see this. And I'm quoting you guys. I loud Agni, the chosen priest, god, minister of sacrifice, the Hotar, lavishest of wealth. This verse underscores Agni's role as a priestly figure who conducts the ritual. The term Hotar refers to the priest who invokes the gods during the sacrifice, a role that Agni embodies. His position as the chosen priest and minister of sacrifice reflects his centrality in Vedic worship. Protector and illuminator. Agni is not only a mediator, but also a protector and illuminator. He is described as one who brings light and dispels darkness both physically and metaphorically. And we can see this in Book 24, verse 15. Agni, who hath the power to soothe, to Mitra and to Varuna give thou our sacrifice. Here, Agni's soothing power is invoked to bring peace and harmony, connecting him with other deities like Mitra and Varuna. His ability to provide light is both literal, as the fire that lights up the night, and symbolic, as the force that enlightens the mind and soul. Agni's multiplicity. Agni's nature is further highlighted in various hymns where he is portrayed in different forms and aspects. In Book 2, Chapter 6, verse 1, we can see Agni, the brilliant, the one who moves between earth and heaven, carrying our offerings. This verse reflects Agni's role as a bridge between the earthly and the divine realms. His presence in both domains signifies his omnipresence and his essential function in maintaining the connection between humans and gods. All right, you guys, let's look at Indra, the god of thunder and war. Indra, the warrior king of the gods, is celebrated for his heroic deeds and his role as a protector of the Aryan people. His exploits, particularly his battles against the demons, are central themes in the Rig Veda. One of the most famous stories involving Indra is his battle with the demon Vritra, who personifies drought and chaos. This story is recounted in numerous hymns. In Book 1, Hymn 32, verse 1, we can see this. He slew the dragon, then disclosed the waters, and cleft the channels of the mountain torrents. I want to deviate real quick, you guys, and let you guys know that I noticed that I was pronouncing Vitra wrong. So yeah, from here on, I will be pronouncing it correctly as Vitra. All right, let's get back into it. So Indra's defeat of Vritra releases the waters, bringing rain and fertility to the land. This act symbolizes the triumph of order over chaos and the restoration of cosmic balance. Indra's role as the rainbringer underscores his importance in agrarian society where the success of crops depend on the timely rains. Indra's strength and valor. Indra's immense strength and valor are often emphasized in hymns, inspiring confidence and courage among his followers. In Book 1, Hymn 4, verse 1, we can see this. Indra, the Vritra slayer, shatterer of forts, quaffed soma juice and waxed exceeding strong. Indra's consumption of soma, the sacred ritual drink, is a recurring motive. It enhances his strength and underscores his divinity. The imagery of shattering forts and slaying demons reinforces his role as a supreme warrior and protector of the cosmos. Indra and Soma. The relationship between Indra and Soma is significant. Soma not only invigorates Indra, but also symbolizes the divine inspiration and power that flows through him. In Book 1, Hymn 5, verse 1, we can see this. Though Indra, drinking deep of this our Soma, has waxed exceeding strong against the mighty. This verse highlights Soma's role in empowering Indra, making him invincible against his foes. The divine drink's connection to Indra reflects the symbiotic relationship between divine power and ritual offerings. Soma, the deified plant. Soma, both a god and the sacred ritual drink prepared from a plant, holds a unique place in Vedic rituals. The drink is believed to bestow immortality and divine insight, and the god Soma is revered for his life-giving and purifying qualities. Soma's divine origin and preparation. The hymns to Soma often describe the process of preparing the sacred drink and its divine origins. In Book 8, Hymn 48, verse 3, we can see this. We have drunk Soma and become immortal. We have attained the light the gods discovered. Drinking Soma is seen as a transformative act, granting immortality and enlightenment. The preparation of Soma is a meticulous process involving the extraction of juice from the Soma plant and its ritualistic offerings to the gods. Purifying and life-sustaining properties of Soma. Soma's purifying properties are a central theme in the hymns dedicated to him. In Book 9, Hymn 113, verse 1, we can see this. Cleanse us, Soma, on all sides of all impurity and foulness. Indra, Vayu, lay within us kindliest treasures. Soma is invoked to cleanse worshippers of impurities, both physical and spiritual. This purification process is essential for maintaining harmony with the divine and ensuring the effectiveness of rituals. Soma's role in rituals. Soma's importance in Vedic rituals cannot be overstated. It is a key element in many ceremonies, symbolizing the flow of divine energy and inspiration. In Book 9, Hymn 86, verse 5, we can see this. O Soma, we drink thee for strength and inspiration. Bring us to light, dispel our darkness. This verse emphasizes Soma's role in bringing strength and enlightenment to his consumers. It reflects the belief that Soma bridges the gap between the mortal and divine realms, offering a glimpse into the transcendental. Varuna, the god of cosmic order. Varuna, the god of cosmic order, or Rita, and the moral law, is revered for his role in upholding the natural and moral order of the universe. He is often associated with the waters and is considered a guardian of truth and justice. Varuna's omniscience and moral authority. Varuna's omniscience and his role as the enforcer of Rita are central themes in the hymns dedicated to him. In Book 7, Hymn 86, verse 3, we can see this. With mine own heart, I commune on the question how Varuna and I may be united. What gift of mine will he accept unangered? When may I calmly look and find him gracious? This verse reflects the worshipper's introspection and desire to live in harmony with Varuna's cosmic order. It highlights Varuna's moral authority and the importance of adhering to Rita, the principle of cosmic order and justice. Compassion and forgiveness. Varuna is also invoked for his compassion and forgiveness, illustrating his dual role as a stern judge and a benevolent protector. In Book 7, Hymn 89, verse 1, we can see this. Let me not yet, King Varuna, enter into the house of clay. Have mercy, spare me, mighty Lord. In this plea, the worshipper seeks Varuna's mercy, acknowledging his power over life and death. The house of clay symbolizes the mortal body, and the prayer for mercy underscores Varuna's authority to grant life and extend grace. Varuna and the waters. Varuna's association with the waters is another significant aspect of his worship. In Book 7, Hymn 87, verse 1, we can see this. Varuna, who knows the path of the birds flying through the air, who knows the course of the ships on the ocean. This verse highlights Varuna's omniscience and his dominion over the waters. His knowledge of the paths of birds and ships reflects his comprehensive understanding of the natural world and the cosmic order. All right, so let's take a look at some other deities as well. While Agni, Indra, Soma, and Varuna are among the most prominent deities in the Rig Veda, the text also honors numerous other gods, each with their own unique attributes and roles. Mitra is often associated with Varuna and represents friendship, harmony, and contracts. Mitra's role in maintaining social order and harmony is reflected in the hymns dedicated to him. In Book 3, Hymn 59, verse 1, we can see this. Mitra, who brings men together, who strengthens bonds of friendship and kinship. This verse underscores Mitra's role in fostering relationships and ensuring social cohesion. His association with Varuna highlights the interconnectedness of social and cosmic order. Vayu. Vayu, the god of wind, is celebrated for his swiftness and power. He is often invoked for his vital life force that sustains all living beings. In Book 1, Hymn 134, verse 1, we can see this. Vayu, the swift who moves through with the force of the storm, bringing life and energy. Vayu's swiftness and energy are central to his worship. He is seen as a dynamic force that pervades all of nature, sustaining life and movement. Surya. Surya, the sun god, symbolizes light, wisdom, and truth. Hymns to Surya praises his brilliance and his role in dispelling darkness and ignorance. In Book 1, Hymn 50, verse 1, we can see this. Surya, the illuminator who rises in splendor, bringing light and truth to the world. Surya's daily journey across the sky is a powerful symbol of the triumph of life over darkness, knowledge over ignorance. His brilliance is a source of inspiration and guidance. I also want to note, you guys, this definitely reminds me of Ra in Egyptian mythology as well. The Rig Veda also contains hymns dedicated to other deities such as Ushas, the dawn, Maruts, or the storm gods, and Rudra, or the fierce god. Each deity plays a specific role in the Vedic pantheon, reflecting various aspects of nature and human experience. Ushas, the goddess of dawn, symbolizes renewal and awakening. Her hymns celebrate the arrival of the dawn and the dispelling of darkness. In Book 1, Hymn 113, verse 1, we can see this. Ushas, who brings the light of day, awakening all beings and driving away the night. Ushas is depicted as a bringer of hope and new beginnings. Her arrival marked the end of darkness and the start of a new day. The Maruts, a group of storm gods, are associated with Indra and symbolize the power and fury of nature. In Book 5, Hymn 52, verse 1, we can see this. Maruts, the fierce and mighty, who roar like lions and bring the thunder. The Maruts represent the raw power of storms, their hymns invoking their strength and ferocity as forces of nature that command respect and awe. And last but not least, Rudra. Rudra, the fierce god, is often invoked for protection and healing. In Book 1, Hymn 114, verse 1, we can see this. Rudra, the fierce, who brings both destruction and healing, be merciful and protect us. Rudra's dual nature as both a destroyer and a healer reflects the complexity of the divine, embodying both the fearsome and the benevolent aspects of the gods. Each of these deities, along with many others mentioned in the Rig Veda, contributes to the rich tapestry of Vedic spirituality. Their hymns reflect a profound understanding of the natural world and the divine forces that govern it. As we continue the journey through the Rig Veda, we will continue to encounter these deities in various contexts, each hymn offering deeper insights into the Vedic worldview and the timeless wisdom it imparts. All right, you guys, that concludes this video. I appreciate you staying along and going down the rabbit hole with me. Stay tuned for the next video, and we will be looking at more hymns. All right, peace and love.